No, I don't really think I remember seeing this one. Well, I swore I showed you this one for real, but I don't know. I guess I didn't. This shit's still so freaking sharp. It's cool weather, keep drying up my hand. Then put some damn lotion on then. Nara, if I leave your plastic ass out here in these woods, you can find your way back home? Sticks and stones, Wolf. Sticks and stones. Yeah, you love using that sticks and stones trope, huh? Yeah, just out here with this orca and smart ass over here. Have any new orca clones came out yet? I don't know. I ain't trying to do nothing too fancy out here because this thing is still bloody sharp. I ain't really been flipping this one a lot. Shit, I haven't really been flipping anything a lot anyway. Well, nonetheless, it's still pretty much pristine for real. No nicks, no knacks. Sounds amazing. Sounds really amazing. No rat, no tap.